Wait, where's the water?
Oh, yeah.
Good morning. Hi, my name is Rex.
And I'm Romy.
And today we are presenting about identify an unknown substance. I'm sure this is everyone's favorite topic because we did a lot of fun experiments.
And
Before we begin, I want you to listen very carefully because this information might help us to know the murder.
Murder. Just let you know, it wasn't me. So, introduction. Physical properties of metal are hard, darkly shiny, and good conductors of electricity and heat.
Copy and paste.
Chemical properties are any of metallic properties that becomes evident during a chemical reaction.
So what was the question? The experiment question. The question that we tried to answer in this experiment was, what is my unknown substance?
Alright. We're moving hypothesis. First, keep calm and test our hypothesis, right? So our group hypothesis that will predict that if my substance is metallic, then it could be the murder weapon, right? The metallic, as you know, it can be knife, whatever, gun. They're all metallic, right? So, and it's sharp and shiny. So that we predict that is the what's that called? Murder weapon.
Yeah. So the procedures of metallic, ionic, or covalent. We tested for melting point, solubility, and conductivity to figure out what compound our substance is.
So as you know, that's a melting point, and then melting point and solubility. Yeah.
So this is our result, and we tested for melting point, but it didn't melt. Its solubility, it didn't dissolve, and the conductivity, it was a good conductor of electricity.
So, analysis. I know that our substance had metallic bonds because it can hold electricity and it can transfer the energy. So moving on, hypothesis second.
Okay. Then my partner hypothesized that if my substance is metallic, then it could be a metallic compound.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So experiment 3. First, we did experiment 3, and then this is the procedure. First, we add 100 milliliters of water to the flask. Then we put the unknown substance inside. Next, we put the balloon to cover the flask. Finally, we wait if the balloon inflates because it will create hydroperoxide.
Yes, that's right. And results and analysis experiment. We observed that unknown substance didn't make any chemical reaction. This tells us that because lithium creates peroxide, right, inside the flask. Yeah, flask.
Figure out that the unknown substance wasn't lithium.
That's right.
Okay, next. The next procedure that we did was the magnesium test. First, we took a forceps to hold the unknown substance. Second, we light the matchsticks to burn the unknown substance. Lastly, if the unknown substance lights a white fire, then it is a magnesium element because it's a chemical reaction.
Yeah, moving on. Result of experiment fourth now is what we're talking about.
We observed that after 2 to 3 minutes within a high temperature of fire, the unknown substance lighted up with the white fire, and we inferred that we successfully conducted the magnesium test.
What the role did this play in this murder? Based on our experience, the magnesium reacted with the with the fire and started to light up. In story of murder, the lights were out, right? The murderer could have used the magnesium to see the victim.
What I learned from this lab that connects to my lab is that I learned being responsibility to myself, being careful, and I learned how to think very deeply to answer the problems. That's it. Thank you.